Look at it. Look at the floor.
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
This looks so much better.
Don't it look good?
Wow.
You had I showed your husband the dirty water. It was,
Oh, I'm sure.
yeah, all that residue that they told you to use, that product, it just grabbed all that soap.
That and mud from the dogs.
Mud and the dogs. Yep.
Yeah.
But check it out.
And your shoes and.
I got you 2 gallons of my cleaners. Look at your marble.
Oh my God! What? No way.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, ma'am.
That's insane. What? Are you here?
Your husband just showing me how I get found on AO.
Oh, he said
AEO. So instead of SEO, search engine answer engine
Yeah,
optimization.
you just got an answer from AI.
Wow.
And he was right. We asked AI, Grok, who should we use in this area, and he was already their answer.
Oh,
The only answer.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay, we were listening.
Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Friday. Today is June the 19th. We're out here in the Sandy Springs area, kind of Dunwoody. I just went and did a consultation for Mr. Floyd. He's going to get on the schedule for a screen and recoat just for his kitchen. And we're out here. Now, we had another project before here, but because of the weather, it's been flip-floppy lately. They reschedule, because it's an outdoor tile and grout cleaning for one of my contractors, a house that he's working on. So we rescheduled for next Wednesday. I also did a consultation yesterday. They scheduled for next Tuesday. I got another consultation this afternoon. She said, Courtney, please, I need Monday because we got furniture coming. So this is Christy and her husband, Ian. I came out here. She found me online. She said, Courtney, I looked at 2 other companies, and the reason I like you and I chose you because you seem to be the expert in these services, not just a company offering these services. And it's usually carpet cleaning companies, because I used to be a carpet cleaner myself, and that's one thing that can hinder a lot of carpet cleaning companies is when people are looking for, certain services to be done, they want someone that specializes in it. So that's what we're going to be doing today, which is a wood floor cleaning, buffing, and some tile cleaning, and also some marble countertop cleaning and buffing. So let me show you guys what we got going today. All right, guys, so we're out here. I just talked to the husband, and he was like, Courtney, we love your videos with the music. And he gave me a good idea to do a song for his video. So it's really cool, guys. It's just, again, always trying to, stand out. People, they love the videos. And also, a lot of people are really liking these songs. So what I'm doing here, guys, this is just going to be a clean and buffing. I'm going to tell you what happened here. If you look really close, I'm going to zoom in. There's a lot of residue on this floor. I mean, a lot of residue. And what happened was, see right here in the light. Oh my God, look at all that residue, guys. Look at all that residue on these floors. So what happened was, when they had these floors put in, they was recommended to a product to use on these floors. Well, when Christy showed me that product has a pH of 9 to 10, okay? Which means it's leaving a lot of residue on the floor. So what we're just gonna come in today is neutralize the floors. We're gonna extract, and then I'm gonna buff them out. Now, cleaning and buffing is the only service where we recommend you don't have to move all the furniture. So like these rugs, we're just gonna fold them back. Same over there. We're gonna pull these tables out. Tavares just set this up. So we're gonna polish these, that's marble. I'm gonna polish those, clean and polish those here. Then we also got these tile floors right here that are definitely in need of a good cleaning as well. They have a lot of residue on them. So anyway, guys, that's what we're gonna do. So this is a nice project today. And then after this, we have a consultation back in Snellville to get her on the schedule for Monday. All right, guys, let's get this party started.
Hey, we want some clean floors. Hey, we want some clean floors. Hey, we want that shine back. We want that shine back. Bring that shine back. Everybody, clean floors. Shiny stone. Truman, got it going on. Clean floors. Marble glow. Truman, make the whole house show. Pulled up deep in Sandy Springs a day. Marble houses glow. By the time we finish, watch the whole house glow. Click, 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 cleaning and buffing. Bringing life back. Every room shining. That's a proven fact. Tile looking fresh. Countertops gleam. Customer smiling like it's a brand new dream. We want some clean floors. We want some clean floors. We want some shiny stone. We want that Truman glow. Who got the shine? Who got the glow? Who got the magic? Who make the floors look brand new? Marble countertops sparkling bright. Tie cleaned up, looking fresh tonight. One crew working, making moves all day. Sand and spring shine in the Truman way. Every scratch gone, every surface clean. Looking so good, you swear it's a dream from the front door all the way inside. Customer smiling with a whole lot of pride. We want some clean floors. We want some clean floors. We want some shiny stone. Truman, bring it on. We outside, Truman. We outside, Truman. Clean floor. We outside. Truman got the whole house shining tonight.
That is going to do it. We got these floors nice and clean. All that residue that was impacted on these floors from that soap product that my client was recommended, it's all gone. Floors is clean and buff. Now I will say, guys, these floors, they're eventually going to need a nice screen and recoats, get some good protection on these floors. But remember when I first came in, let me zoom in. Remember all right there? All that floor had all that residue on it, all right? So they look amazing now. We also did the tile floors, cleaned these, and also, man, look at the great job we did on these marble countertops, man. Amazing. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. We're just picked up another consultation in Brookhaven. She just paid for the consultation on my website, and I'm about to go, since I'm not far, she said I can come today, and I just booked another consultation for Monday. All right, guys, we're going to be off this weekend. We'll be back at it Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Then I'll be going out of town next Thursday through Sunday to actually teach a class for a company in Florida. And then the following week, me and the family are gonna head out to New York for the 4th, do something different this year. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.